Trade is still going strong. He said it wore evenly on all 4 tires, so I've been keeping the tire pressure at 40 psi. See what they have it set at. So right now that's what it's reading. It's kind of cold outside, but he said they pumped it back up to 40. So yeah, so far so good. No issues to report. I know I was getting some questions in the last video. Did I have any issues or was it driving funny? But nope, everything's good. All of the parts underneath the bottom, no rubbing, no issues, and tires, anything. So I'm just kind of get back rolling and kind of take a little video actually driving, so you guys can kind of see for yourselves. But yeah, so if anybody's still wondering, will you have any long-term issues with going with 33s, I haven't had any problems at all. So straight, shaking nothing, as you can see. Steering wheel, everything's going straight along. So yep, just a small quick update video for everyone that was asking about how everything's been going so far. Going great. Gas mileage, I haven't really seen that much of a difference. To me, it's nothing that's so noticeable to where I suggest somebody not to increase their tire size. I'm sure it is some sort of hit, but it's nothing that's I've noticed anything crazy. Out of some highway driving, so I'm at 72 right now, and below this music. So, and as you can see, no shakes in the wheel. I know the sun is kind of shining down, so I can't really get a good video of it, but nothing is shaking, nice and smooth. I take my hand off the wheel, still no shakes. So everything's good. So yeah, this is what they look like on the highway. As you can hear, it's nothing on the inside. I'll roll the window down. It may have a lot of wind, so you can hear it's not really a lot of tire noise. No humming, no shakes, nothing like that. So, again, just another, just an update video for everybody that's been asking a lot of questions on, how they've been performing. So, we're all good, all good. All right, peace.